What's up? It's September 12th, fall semester. Let me adjust my camera a little bit here. 2017. And you guys got exposure to the theories of aging in your discussion. And now I want you to study a little bit more when you go into the course readings. All right, so you come in here and we're looking at, again, the theories of aging, right, like so. And again, what you do is you click on this, you download the PDF file, okay? It's really great, this PDF file, and you go through all the theories, okay? And it's written so in layman's terms, so you can get a feeling of what aging research is all about. And this is big time stuff, okay? This is the future of medicine, okay? And a lot of the research going on at the Davis School of Gerontology is right cutting edge with this stuff, okay? So you just kind of get a feeling for what all of it is, and then we're going to go into some of the diseases, okay? So, talking about DNA and mutations and vulnerability and cancer, okay? Endocrine aspects deals a lot with stress and stress hormones, which is a whole different class that I teach. In fact, I might be teaching a class in Costa Rica this summer talking about blue zones and alleviating your stress if anybody's interested, okay? And I'll send out an announcement about that. Okay, free radicals, okay, big deal that cause mutations, on and on and on. So you guys are very familiar with this, and sorry, we're going to go back to this one. I want you to research it, and then you take the quiz, and you know the drill, so you know how the quizzes go. Okay, we just can't seem to get the message across. I think a lot of people, of course, the people who are watching this video, I'm preaching to the wrong crowd right now because you guys are totally on the ball. But a lot of people don't understand that you have to make one substantive post on the discussion, okay, followed by 3 substantive comments on what your classmates have posted, okay? What we're doing with the quizzes, we're jumbling up the questions, so no two of you will get the same questions, okay? We had to do that because of issues that were popping up in the course. And the other thing that's really important is what's coming up, which is a critical thinking assignment. Okay. Now, with respect to the discussion, I sent you a link about what's happening in terms of demography in your generation and people putting off reproduction. So this is an opportunity when we think about biological aspects of aging. Guess what? For the women in the class, your eggs are undergoing biological aging, okay? So that you are right now at peak fertility and it begins to subside from hereafter. And the number of eggs that happen because of the cell division hypothesis of aging goes down and down and down. And guess what? Hey, that's my doggy. Come here. Come on. Ah, you're such a silly dog. Come here, this is Bella. Come here, Bella. Ready? Look, there's Bella, that German Shorthair Pointer. Okay, get out of here. Okay, so and you get mutations in your eggs. Sperm, same deal. Cell division. Cell division slows, mutation rate increases, and so you put off fertility. And guess what happens? You start having reproductive issues, whether it's miscarriages or mutations that have survival, and you have lots of defects in your child. All right. Do you want to go? Come here. All right, there she goes. Okay, ready? Goodbye. All right. Okay, so this is a great opportunity, especially, of course, most of the responsibility goes on the shoulders of women, okay? And you don't think you're ever going to do in vitro fertilization, but guess what? You wait to find the right person, you get your careers in order, you start thinking, okay, now I want to have children here in my 30s, and suddenly you're infertile, okay? And it happens time and time again. So this is a great opportunity to look into this. This website right here is amazing website, okay? So what I want you to do is to go through here. Here we go, reproductive aging, okay? And we see exactly what I'm talking about. You guys are prime time right now, and okay? And along with the drop in fertility is the increase in mutation rate. Okay, and that's to be discussed in the article that I'm sending in as well. Okay, so I do want you to navigate this website, okay, and get used to what's going on, figure it out, okay? Alrighty. Okay, let's see here. And what I'm going to do do is I'm going to get out of here right now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so if we go down here, okay, we look at the tests that are done. So be familiar with this because you will have these tests done. And it's an absolute great opportunity. There's some great videos here. Be familiar with this because unfortunately, like I said, we all get older and reproductive issues pop up. All right, so this is a great opportunity for you. All right, so you get in there and discuss these issues, the decisions that you're going to be making. Okay. Lastly, it's getting here to the critical think assignment. Okay, follow the directions, please. You know, you don't follow the directions, we take points off. Okay, there are no exceptions. Due dates, there are late penalty points assessed with it. Okay, 10% per late day. It is what it is. We have a huge class. Okay, so I want you to collect from 3 different countries. You're going to look at fertility rate. You're going to look at life expectancy. You're going to look at population growth. Okay. You choose those 3 countries and then you compare them to the United States. Okay, do you see a trend? All right, that's what I'm asking right here. All right, how does the U.S. stack up? Okay, how about the 3 countries you chose? How do they stack up? Why? Why do you think this is happening? Think about sociological features. Okay, all right. Now this is how you do it. So you go in here. Okay. You go into the website, you click right here, it's going to take us to the website, and here we are. Okay, alrighty. In terms of the website, you want to know what these numbers reflect right here. You see the numbers. This is the time on this axis, so we can change the time. You see right here. Okay, we'll go back here. We can see the full world fertility rate. What do these numbers mean in terms of rate? You click on details, and it tells you what it means. Okay, so now you know how to describe it. This is true for all the graphs. Okay, you just click on details. All right, so now we're going to come down here and we're going to find some interesting countries. How about this one? This was in the news because of the hurricane. All right, Hurricane Irma just blasted Barbuda. Okay, and I didn't even know Barbuda existed. Okay, there it is. Why was the fertility rate so high and then all of a sudden it plummeted? Okay, change in economy, change in what is the country's all about. It became a retirement / vacation destination, and you see what happens right here. Okay, let's choose another country. Okay, how about I'm just trying to look for a good one here. How about Ethiopia? Okay, they have a lot of problems. Have had a lot of problems. What do we see there? A big difference in the fertility rate here, right here. So they're coming down, but they're pretty slow to react. Okay, alrighty. So once you do this, okay, you can do the United States as well. So come down here and look at the United States, and we'll click on that and put him in. Okay, remember you need another one. All right, and we see now here's the United States. Okay. Okay, so it's all pretty similar what's going on there. Okay, all right, so just make some assumptions, figure it out. You can now do either a print screen on your keyboard and capture that. Okay, so if I just do a print screen and I go over here to PowerPoint and I just go like so. Okay, and let's see here. Yeah, this is because it's something that happened at USC, which is kind of interesting in terms of data breach. Okay, now it's going to do a new slide. Okay, and then I'm going to hit paste, and there's the print screen. Okay, and then you can just take this if you wish, hit crop. Okay, and bring into action the figure like so. So that's one way of doing that and putting that into your document. Okay. Another way of doing it is to go back to the website. Okay, and we see over here. Okay, options. Okay, you can go into online visualization tools. That's what I want to do. So I'm looking at the graph I generated. So again, you got to hunt around. This is what you guys are all about. Have fun with this website. This website is amazing. You'll probably be able to use it for your work someday, and also for so a million different classes. So you click on this right here. Okay, and so here's the data that you've acquired now. Okay, and in a table form, and we have lots of different things we can download. Okay, so you can get the actual data. You can do it as a table, or like we're doing. And what I want you to do is a chart. So we hit chart like so. Okay, and there's the chart right there of the 3 countries. Okay, so we can then go over here and hit download. and we can, hold on a sec. Here, right here, download, sorry, the arrow. And we're going to download a JPEG image. All right, so hit chart, go over here, hit download JPEG or PNG, okay, and go like so. And I'm going to open it. And then there's my image again. I can just go copy, and I can put this into my WordPerfect file, paste, my PowerPoint file, and now I have two different versions. That is how you do it. Pretty straightforward. And then you do the analysis. Don't forget the analysis. So you have a couple different options. I like doing the cropping because it's prettier, but this works as well. Okay? Alrighty. So we're going to get out of here. So you do that, and don't forget, we come back over here. Please do the critical thinking assignment. Follow the directions. You don't follow the directions, you're not going to get the points. So we have 1, 2, 3 graphs you have to put into your paper, and then the analysis. Again, this is short. Okay, we asked for about 2.5 pages, so it's not a big deal. All right, but get it done. Alrighty. So that is where we're at. Okay. Do remember that the quiz is open and close every week. Okay, you have 1 week. So if you don't get it done, it's gone and you get 0 points. The discussions open and close every week. So if you don't get it done that week, they're gone. You get 0 points. Okay, so you have to stay on this class on a weekly basis. And I think some people are a little bit confused by that. It was spelled out clearly in the syllabus. It is spelled out in this every time I do a video. Okay. And also in the emails that we've been sending you. So you guys are adults and you guys can figure this out. All right. So, alrighty, that is it. See you next week.